Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to connect Chromecast to TV. Firstly, download the Google Home app on your iPhone, iPad or Android device. The icon looks like a house with red, blue, yellow and green lines. Google Home is available on iOS in the App Store and Android in Google Play Store. After that, turn on the Bluetooth. This will help your phone pair with the Chromecast device. Bluetooth will improve the setup process. If you don't want to turn on Bluetooth, you can tap No Thanks. After that, open your device's settings and tap on Wi-Fi. Connect the Wi-Fi network that matches you on Chromecast. Next, open the Google Home app. If you aren't logged in, follow the on-screen instructions to log in or create an account. Make sure you allow all permissions, then tap on the Get Started button. It will be underneath Create and Home. After that, tap on New Devices. Using that, you can add something new like a Chromecast, Google Net speaker or display, or a partner device including those labeled Seamless Setup with the Google Home app. Then tap on the Create Another Home button. If you already created a home, you can select it. Give your Google Home a nickname so you can recognize it. You can choose to skip additional setups such as inputting your home address. Then select your home and tap Next. Here you need to select the home you created for your Chromecast. Then tap on Set Up Chromecast button. After that, select your home and tap Next. Google Home will begin searching for devices. When your Chromecast is found, you'll receive a prompt on your phone and TV. Next, confirm the Chromecast number matches on your device and TV. The number will be displayed in the bottom right corner of your TV and the top of your phone screen below Chromecast found. Then, tap Next. Google Home will begin connecting to Chromecast. Tap Yes to confirm the code on your display. A code will display on your TV and phone. Make sure the code matches. If the code does not match, tap No. Then, select the device location. You can choose from various places such as the living room, kitchen, bedroom, and more. Next, connect to your Wi-Fi network. Tap your network, log in using your network password. Google Home will begin linking your Chromecast to your TV. Lastly, tap Continue. You'll now be able to use Chromecast. Google Home offers a tutorial on casting from apps. You can choose to skip it or follow it. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it, share it, and comment your questions down below.